Okay, here we're going to look at escape characters. So that's when we want to insert characters that are illegal in a string. We can use an escape character. So I'm going to open up my workspace, click on workspace, click open workspace. Okay, here we go. I'll open a new workbook, get this out of the way. Okay, so the big picture is, say I want a string like, hello, how are you? But if I want to put something in here in quotes, like if I wanted quotes around that, how, that is fine. And the reason why it's fine is because I've got double quotes on the outside and single quotes on the inside. So as long as I've got like one thing on the outside, and then I've got the double quotes there, it still is fine, okay? But if I mix and match, it really freaks out. So here, if I have double quotes, and then you can see it always tries to pair them for me. So I just typed one, but it gave me two. You can see here, it thinks that I'm supposed to end the first string right there. And so it doesn't know how to handle how. Let's see what error it gives me. So it says invalid syntax. So it was fine if the single are on the outside and the double are on the inside, and it's fine if the double are on the outside and the single are on the inside, but I can't use double double or single single. Okay, it says this syntax error. So that's an example of like inside a string that is using double quotes, using an additional double quote is illegal. There's also these other ones of escape characters. So if I want to like really force a quote in there or a double quote in there, I can use a backslash. So here it says an escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. So let's look at some examples of that. Here I had an error. If I try that again, but I put a slash before each of those quotes, that tells Python, yo, I want the actual character there. So I'm going to press the play button, and then it's totally happy. There's also a bunch of stuff we can do, like /n gives us a new line. So, it actually just shows us it there. If I say print this string, play. Sorry, a lot of times I'm just hitting Shift Enter. Here, that /n is giving me a line break. And you can see if I added a space after that, then I end up with a space here right after that line break. And there's a few other ones that we'll use a lot. For example, we often use tab. We often use new line. If you want a backslash, because we're using backslash to signal, hey, the next character is an escape character, you have to escape the escape character, like that slash. So if I want a slash to appear in here, I have to add two of them. Then I see that a single one, okay? And if I had only a single one in there, then it thinks /r is an escape character and actually just deletes it. So it is kind of counterintuitive. If I want, after the question mark here, to have an escape character, I actually need to add two so that I can have it appear. If it doesn't, then it thinks I'm escape character, like an escaping that double quote.